Hello and welcome to sbmgunas. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 12th May 2020 made a series of announcements and shared some details of the rupees 20 lakh crore economic package announced by PM Narendra Modi to fight coronavirus crisis. In this video, we will discuss 5 relief announced by the Finance Minister relating to the income tax. First, due date of filing of all income tax returns. The due date for filing of all income tax returns for the financial year 1920, that is assessment year 2021, in case of salaried taxpayers and certain other cases in which audit is not required, the date will be extended from 31st July 2020 to 30th November 2020. Likewise, the due date of filing return in case of businesses, that is required for audit taxpayer, will be extended from 31st October 2020 to 30th November 2020. The date for furnishing Tax Audit Report has been extended from 30th September 2020 to 31st October 2020. This was necessary in view of the delay in matters relating to TDS certifications and uploading of Form 26AS. Second, income tax refund. All pending refunds to charitable trust and non-corporate business and professionals, including proprietorship concerns, partnership firms, LLPs, and cooperative societies, shall be issued immediately. Here, there is no good reason to withhold the refunds to top corporate taxpayers. It may be noted that many MSMEs are also in corporate sector and they will be adversely affected due to delay in getting refund. Lower TDS and TCS. TDS and TCS rates will be reduced by 25% for deduction starting from 14th May 2020 to 31st March 2021. This means that the tax will be deducted at the rate 7.5%, where the prescribed rate of TDS is 10%. However, this reduction in TDS will not apply to salaried persons. It may also be noted that reduction in the rate of TDS will not reduce the tax liability of any taxpayer. In case of shortfall in the payment of tax by way of TDS or advance tax, one will rather be liable to the payment of interest. Time limit for completing assessment. Assessments of assessment year 18-19 and onwards are getting time barred by 30th September 2020. The date of completing such assessment has been extended to 31st December 2020. Likewise, in case where notice for reopening of assessment has been issued under Section 148 and the assessments were required to be completed by 31st March 2021, the date for completion of such assessment will be extended till 30th September 2021. Fifth, Vivad se Vishwas scheme. Period of Vivad se Vishwas scheme for making payments without additional amount will be excluded from 30th June 2020 to 31st December 2020. It's a welcome measure. However, the scope of the scheme needs to be further extended to cover all the cases where any demand is outstanding on the date of making the declaration. The scheme should include in its ambit the cases where prosecution matter are pending, as well as the cases where action needs to be taken under Benami Transaction Prohibition Act. In the end, I would say that the government has come up to the rescue the taxpayers by extending the deadlines and other reliefs. This is a welcome move. But the taxpayers were hopeful of some reduction in the tax burden by way of higher exemption limit and lower tax rates. However, no such announcement has been made by the Finance Minister. In fact, there is hardly any worthwhile relief to the income tax payers. The Finance Minister needs to give relief in real terms.